Good morning everyone, Brian from gardenminutes.com here. Today I want to show you how to do a quick upgrade to your garden grid watering system, and that's by adding a one-way water flow valve to allow you to adjust the water flow to the garden grid here without having to go all the way back to your hose spigot. So last week I showed you how our manifold system connects our neighboring garden grids and then runs a garden hose over to the third garden grid. So these two garden grids are able to be adjusted independently of each other. So now I want to add the same ability to this garden grid. And it's a really simple process of just adding this one-way valve right here. So we'll go ahead and disconnect our garden hose from our garden grid. We'll add the valve onto the end of our hose. And then we'll just screw the garden grid onto the end of the valve here. And what that will allow us to do is now vary the water flow that's coming out of this garden grid from the valve point here independently of our other two garden grids while they all run off of one water source.